Ever wonder why ice always runs out at the worst moment? Stay right here. Today I'm revealing the top 7 best rated countertop ice maker picks that save parties, mornings, and summer days. Welcome to my channel, real reviews, fast value. Like one? Grab it easily through the links below now. At number 7 is EUHOMY Auto-Cleaning Portable. Here's a bold truth: most people don't quit ice makers because of ice, they quit because of maintenance. That's where this EUHOMY Auto-Cleaning model quietly wins. Among top-rated countertop ice makers, convenience separates the good from the trusted. Let's start with speed. Ice in about 6 minutes. Smooth bullet cubes. Low noise that fades into the background. Compared to others in our top lineup, this one feels calmer and more predictable. Curious why that matters daily? The real hero is hands-free cleaning. One touch, walk away, and come back to a fresh machine. Tested for real-world comfort, the smart alerts and clear window remove guesswork, which brings real peace of mind. Portability is solid too, easy to move, easy to trust. Now the honest side. Ice storage is modest, so heavy party hosts may need pauses. But energy efficiency and reliability balance that out. Final take? If you want fast ice without upkeep stress, this is a confident, smart buy. Power users might go larger, but everyday users will feel instant relief choosing it. On number 6 is Antarctic Star 8 Ice Cubes. What if your ice maker worked faster than your guests arrive, and stayed quiet doing it? That's the quiet confidence of the Antarctic Star model. In the world of top-rated countertop ice makers, this one focuses on comfort, not chaos. First, speed. 8 cubes in about 6 minutes feels instantly reassuring. Compared to others in our top lineup, it's not chasing gimmicks, it delivers steady, dependable ice. Curious how that reliability plays out daily? Energy efficiency is a big win. Lower power use means long-term peace of mind. Tested for real-world comfort, it runs whisper quiet, making it ideal for apartments, offices, or late nights. The self-cleaning cycle solves a common buyer fear: bad-tasting ice. Now the honest side. Ice capacity is average, and cube size options are limited. But portability and quiet performance stand out. Final take? If you value silence, efficiency, and stress-free ice, this is a smart, confident buy. Party power users may want more volume, but everyday users will feel instant relief choosing it. At number 5 is COWSAR Ice Makers. Here's a bold question: why do cafes get the good ice and homes don't? The COWSAR Ice Maker changes that story fast. In the lineup of top-rated countertop ice makers, this one focuses on texture and satisfaction, not just speed. First impression matters. Soft, chewable nugget ice arrives quickly and keeps drinks flavorful, not watered down. Compared to others in our top list that push bullet cubes, this feels more indulgent. Curious how that affects daily use? Build quality stands out. Stainless steel feels sturdy and safe. Tested for real-world comfort, it runs quietly and cleans itself with one touch, huge relief for busy kitchens. The steady output means you're not constantly waiting or storing ice. Now, the honest trade-off. It's heavier and takes more counter space than ultra-compact models. But that extra size delivers consistency and quality. Final verdict? If you love chewable ice and want a dependable kitchen companion, this is a confident buy. Minimalists may skip, but ice lovers will feel instant peace of mind choosing it. At number 4 is Frigidaire 26 Lbs Portable. Here's a surprising reality: most people don't realize how stressful running out of ice actually is until it happens mid-party. The Frigidaire 26-pound portable ice maker quietly removes that worry. In the lineup of top-rated countertop ice makers, this one feels steady, polished, and dependable. Performance comes first. 9 smooth bullet cubes every few minutes means drinks stay cold without constant checking. Compared to others in our top list, it's not the fastest, but it's consistent, and that builds trust. Curious why consistency beats speed long term? The stainless design looks premium and fits almost anywhere. Tested for real-world comfort, The large water tank reduces refills, which feels like instant relief during gatherings. Controls are clear, visible, and stress-free. Now, honesty. It's slightly larger and not the quietest option available. But reliability outweighs that. Final verdict? If you want dependable daily ice with minimal effort and a clean, professional look, this is a smart, safe buy. Travelers may want smaller, but home hosts will feel total peace of mind choosing it. On number 3 is Silonn Nugget. What if your ice could be ready faster than you finish pouring your drink? That's where the Silonn Nugget ice maker instantly grabs attention. In our experience reviewing countertop ice machines, this one delivers pure comfort from the first scoop. Speed is the headline. Ice in about 6 minutes feels like a lifesaver during busy mornings or surprise guests. Compared to others in our top-rated list, it clearly wins on quick turnaround. Curious how that changes daily use? Then there's the Nugget Ice. Soft, chewable, and incredibly satisfying. It solves the biggest complaint people have before buying: hard, flavor-killing cubes. Tested for real-world comfort, this ice keeps drinks enjoyable, not painful. Quiet operation adds peace of mind, especially in offices or apartments. Cleaning? Simple and stress-free, which many competitors still struggle with. Downsides? Nugget lovers only, no cube options here. Final take: if you crave fast, chewable ice and quiet performance, this is a smart, confidence-boosting choice. Casual users may look elsewhere, but Nugget fans won't regret. At number 2 is EUHOMY Removable. What if your favorite cafe-style ice could show up at home in under 7 minutes? That's the promise EUHOMY delivers, and it mostly lives up to the hype. Let's break it down. Speed and texture come first. The soft Nugget ice cools drinks fast without hurting your teeth, solving a big worry people have before buying a countertop unit. Compared to others in our top-rated lineup, this one feels more daily use-friendly, but is that enough? The removable top cover is a quiet hero. Cleaning anxiety? Gone. Tested for real-world comfort, it's easier to maintain than many similar machines. Add low noise and energy efficiency, and suddenly your kitchen feels calmer. Curious how much that matters long-term? Pros: fast ice, chewable texture, smart alerts, easy cleaning. Cons: Nugget-only style, slightly larger footprint. Final verdict? If you love cafe ice and value peace of mind, this is a smart, confidence-backed buy. Minimalists or cube lovers may want alternatives, but Nugget fans will feel instant relief. Now moving to the last one is Kismile with crushed ice. Did you know most people buy an ice machine and regret it within weeks? This portable crushed ice machine flips that story fast. Let's break it down. First, speed matters. 7 minutes to your first batch feels like instant relief, especially compared to slower countertop units in our top-rated lineup. Hosting stress? Gone, but here's where it gets interesting. The chewable Nugget ice is the real win. Smooth on the teeth. Slow to melt. Drinks stay flavorful, solving the biggest complaint buyers have before choosing a compact ice maker. Tested for real-world comfort, it quietly works at around 43 decibels, which is calmer than many similar models, noticeable during late nights. Self-cleaning is one touch. That peace of mind is huge. Downsides? It's Nugget-focused, not for large cube lovers. Final word: if you want fast, crushed-style ice without noise or hassle, this is a smart, confidence-backed pick. Cube purists may look elsewhere, but Nugget fans will feel instant satisfaction. After testing all contenders in the top 7 best-rated countertop ice maker lineup, the Frigidaire 26 pounds per day portable compact ice maker clearly stands out. It balances fast, reliable ice production with a sleek, durable design and intuitive controls. It's roomy enough for parties yet compact for everyday use, with fewer refills and smoother operation than many rivals. If you want consistent performance, real convenience, and peace of mind in one unit, this is the smart choice worth buying. So guys, this was the video about the top 7 best rated countertop ice maker 2026. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.